guy right here?
Nope.
No, okay.
What do I got more? Yeah, sure, I got one.
I just went to Walmart and I bought a $105 cooler for 25 bucks. It was mislabeled on the shelf. And I talked to the guy and I said, hey, can you just price this? It doesn't seem like this would be 25 bucks. It's way more. He said, yeah, it's 105. I said, well, it's March 25. Can I have it? He's like, yeah, I'm not even going to argue with you. 50 people didn't show up for a shift.
Wow.
They don't want to work. 50 people. I'm like, what? He goes, you know anybody who wants to work?
Yeah.
He's almost told me this.
Well, Gabe's actually.
Vaccinated later on.
Yeah.
But she was super sick right now.
We all got it. We all got it in September.
Did you?
Me, Graham, and the baby. Anthony actually never.
So this is a new and improved starter that replaces the 41. This is the 39. And supposed to be lighter weight, higher speed. And you notice that's got a nose on it. This one doesn't. So this collar is adjustable. So you can just undo these Allen keys and twist that whatever way you want. And also this little solenoid outside can go up here. So we're gonna have to move that up here. I was working on getting that sleeve out. Why wouldn't that come with new ones, you know?
Because I like to piss people off.
Yeah, I guess they do, huh? Like, how much, you know what I mean? Like, what is that, $1 a piece? They should put them in the pack. There you go, Delco. You're pissing people off. But we got to use these old crappy things, and you got to get them out to get them back in. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't have those.
That's all.
What do you put it on?
I put it on. We had the family. Hey, where's those 2 bolts at?
The new ones?
Yeah. There you go. Good socket.
Well, I wonder if I should make sure it's going to even fit up in there.
Well, the other thing is just that the batteries are off, right?
Double check that, but they should be.
I'm also worried if it's
All right, well,
which way do you think?
it fits nice like that, so the hardest thing, I got to get these wires on. With this, like, trying to balance it, I guess. Positive goes. That's a ground.
You gotta come back with the starter a little bit. Right there.
Can you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh no, it's gotta come back even more.
Maybe. right, I gotta get these. Wait, oh, they'll reach. Will they? Where is? Ah, they all fell off. Ah. You know, I think all this stuff will reach at this angle, though. I'm not a crappy. Let me try to twist around. I don't know what to do. Gonna get all this.
In my hand?
Just trying to get it so I can use. Oh, I'm trying to get on this side of the axle. I think my leg's stuck. Alright.
You're gonna have to get it into place and then I'll hold it. Where are those bolts?
Hold up. Ow, that was a rock in the back of my head. Come on. Ah, Jesus. Oh, I think I got it. I get the one started.
Well, that's what I was trying to say to you.
I did have it started. Now just
Are they anywhere where I can grab one?
hold up.
Well, no, I can get right to the top hole.
I know. I don't want to let it go.
Yeah.
It would be nice if I was prepared with my tools. I don't even know what I did with the socket.
It's right next to you on the side here. Right here on the side.
Ah, damn it. Fell out of the hole again. It wouldn't be so bad if I didn't have all the wires pulling down. Woo! Where's the socket?
I got it. Hold on. Here.
Okay. Get that back in now.
Guess I should have looked before I handed you all the bolts.
I'm losing bolt fell back out. All right,
Here, just give me one bolt. Give me that one that you have in your hand. Give me a second. Yep, right.
I'm gonna try to get, maybe I can get this one in here. I got it in, but I gotta get a ratchet. And a battery won't fit in there too, but I don't, God damn it. I'm getting pissed off. All right, I got the battery one here. I don't know. The socket's on here. I need this put on for this.
Here, good thing.
Shit. I can't, I'm trying here, but my hands are really getting cramped.
Well, just see you get it started
Oh,
and then you
shit.
come out and I'll do it.
No, I don't need, I just need to get this, is it going the right way?
Yeah, it should be.
Battery time. And alright, I'm just gonna, I don't want to go too much with it. Alright, now I can do the other one. Where's that? Where the hell's that other bolt? Gosh. I think, oh, this thing's got to go on there. Where's that what did I do with that now?
Set it down there. If that battery's weak, I got another battery.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Come on, go on. Now, I hope. Alright, this is how far I am. I got the bolt in the top, right? And I'm sorry for, I'm trying to film this best I can. I got the bolt over there. This bolt is messed up because it was messed up before. So we're gonna try to impact it in. Went all the way in.
I'm just gonna say be careful because that will break it right off.
Yeah, well. Good thing they're good bolts. Then you know, your wires back up. It's all the way in. Now I just gotta tighten the two other ones and get these ground wires on. And batteries are dead, so deal with that situation. But oh, I just got something on my butt. You know, I got so many extensions under here. It's like
That ratchet.
I can't believe that went all the way in. That's awesome. Look at that. All the way in. Alright, let's tighten these couple up and get the ground.
I already got your key. They're fucking. So I got to set it over coming. And then, see, when I first started out, you didn't have snap-on or immaculate. So when I first started out at Gates,
Well, there was immaculate stuff. And then the other back girl was Elwood's sister, daughter-in-law. Yeah, son's wife. She fucked that all up. Bad.
Alright guys,
Elwood probably.
there it is. That looks like everything's back to how it should be.
Yeah.
You gotta do the starter. God bless you. It's not fun at all. But this is a new and improved one. So this is a MT39. Another one's an MT41. So a little easier though because you don't have a shim or anything you got to deal with up there. So definitely easier to put in and not having nose going on there. But yeah, not fun.